Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to block apps in Facebook on your PC. Blocking apps can help you maintain control over your Facebook experience. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to block apps on Facebook using your computer. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. On the left side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Locate and click on Blocking. Step 7. Next to Block Apps, click on the Edit button. Step 8. Click on Add to Blocked List. Step 9. Search for the app name and click on the Block button. By following these simple steps, you can effectively block apps on Facebook, ensuring a more personalized and tailored experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.